Hey guys, so today I have my Boxycharm for the month of August, so let's get into it. Alright, so the first product in the box is one I already know. This is the Becca Hydra-Mist Set and Refresh Powder. So I already own one of these, so I'll probably give this one to somebody. But this powder is really cool, I really like it. It has like this very weird texture to it. It just feels like wet on the skin, which is pretty weird for a powder. I have tried one other powder I think that feels kind of like that, the Bare Minerals Hydro Mineral Powder, whatever, Hydroveil I think it's called. That one's a little bit like wet feeling too, but not as much as the Becca powder. So I feel like it's more like an experience overall, not really like the greatest powder. It's not my favorite powder, but it feels cool. So, and this retails for $39. All right, next in here we have from Wander Beauty. This is the Glow Ahead Illuminating Face Oil. Ew. Definitely will use this. Definitely something I'm into. I do like a lot of Wander Beauty products, and I feel like they have been pandering their stuff in subscription boxes a lot lately, so I'll definitely have to try it and see what I think. This retails for $42, so that's expensive. Next in here is a mascara, I think, from Tarte. This is the Big Ego Mascara. So I don't generally like Tarte mascaras. I haven't really tried any that I like, so I'm not sure I will be trying this one out. I think this one is relatively new though, so that's cool if you do like Tarte mascaras. This one retails for $23. Next we have two eyeshadows. These are from Ace Beauty, and this is the Glimmer Shadow Duo. I have the shades Huckleberry and French Vanilla. These aren't really colors I will use, and I don't generally reach for single eyeshadows. It's just so much easier to reach for a palette, you know? But even if I did reach for a single shadow, it probably would not be these colors. Not really my thing. Having like a fuchsia and a silvery white, not really into it. And this duo retails for $25, which I think is kind of expensive for two single eyeshadows if you ask me. And then lastly, from Steve Laurant, we have a lip liner in the shade Vogue. So let's see what color this is. This retails for $15. And from the little nubbin on the end, I would say it's like a mauvey shade. Ooh, it's very rough. Yikes. So I have to press pretty hard to get some pigment out of there, and it feels pretty scratchy. So I don't know. Pretty color, mauvey, pink, but really scratchy, so not great. Alright, so that's all of the products in my Boxycharm this month. The total retail value this month is $144. So not my favorite month, I would say. I feel like I'm only really gonna use the Wander Beauty product. So 1 out of 5 is not really the best box for me, I guess. I don't know. The lip liner was pretty scratchy, so probably not going to use that. The Tarte mascara, I mean, I just don't like Tarte mascaras. I'll probably look up reviews on this to see if I should use it or not. If you guys have gotten this in your box and tried it out, please let me know, because I don't want to open a new mascara just to see that it sucks. So let me know if you tried this. And the eyeshadows, not really my shades. And they're single shadows, so I mean, no. And then the Becca powder is good, I just already have it, so if I didn't already have it, I mean, these would be the 2 stars of the box. But here's hoping for next month. I don't know. Let me know what you guys got in your Boxycharm this month, and if you guys like what was in the box, tell me. And again, tell me if you tried that mascara out and how it was, because don't got high hopes. So let me know what you guys got in your box, and I will see you in my next video.